Hello everyone. So today's lead code daily problem is search in a rotated sorted array 2. So I hope you would have already solved search in rotated sorted one problem before coming on to this question. As also it is given in the problem that this problem is similar to search in rotated sorted array, but nums may contain duplicates. So the problem that we are talking about, search in rotated sorted array 1, it did not had any duplicates. However, the problem in this problem, search in rotated sorted array 2, it will have duplicates. Like if you take this example 2 5 6 0 0 1 and 2, it will have duplicates 0 and 0. So we need to find out if the target element lies in this array or not. Now let's move on to the notepad and see how we will approach this problem. So give me a second. Yeah, so first example that we have been given is 256 0 0 1 and 2. 256 0 0 1 and 2. 0 0 1 and 2, and our target is equals to 0. So we need to find out this target whether it is present or not. So we will index the elements, and since it is a rotated sorted array, like first thing that we can do is linear search. Linear search, but that will take off and time complexity. However, if since we are given that the array is sorted, we will use the feature of sorted array, that is we are gonna use binary search in this problem. Now target is equal to 0, so my low pointer will be equals to here and my high pointer will be here. My mid pointer will come over to here, and whenever it becomes equals to target, we will simply return true. This example will not be able to precisely explain because in the first iteration itself you got the values true as true. So we will take some example which will have more iterations. Now let's see how. 1 2 4 7, and then it will be from here, it will be 9 10, and then 12. So let us suppose this is the array that we have been given, and we need to find out the target as 4. Let's put 4 again here, because we need to use the property that of the array that are given in the question, that it contains duplicate elements. So my mid will be equals to this element. Is this mid equals to target or not? No, it is not equals to target. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna simply check which part of the array is sorted. So we can see that this is the left part of the array and this is the right part of the array. So we can see that the right part of the array is sorted. So check once if this is the sorted half. So check once if 4 lies in sorted right half or not. So since right half is sorted, since the right half is sorted, now what I'm going to check is if my array of mid is smaller than equals to target, and my array of high is greater than equals to target. What it means, it simply means that my target lies to the right side of the array. So what will be low will be equals to mid plus 1. My low will be pointing on 2, this is mid, my low will be pointing on to this element, right? Now if in case if this condition returns false, what we will do, we will simply high is equals to mid minus 1. So this is the case when right half is sorted. So now let's check when left half is sorted. So when left half is sorted, what I mean is that this part is sorted array. In this problem it is not sorted, but assume that if it had been sorted, if the left part had been sorted, what we would have done, if the left part would have been sorted, we will simply check that if the target lies in the left half or not. If in case the target lies in the left half, we will simply move on to the left section by doing high is equals to mid minus 1. Otherwise, I will simply move to low is equals to mid plus 1. But please remember that we wrote exactly same code for search in rotated sorted array 1. Then what is the difference between this problem and that problem that I am talking about? The problem lies in this following test case. Let me show you. I wrote this code in the problem that I am talking about, search and rotated sorted array. And the similar code I tried for this example also, but it gave the wrong answer on 274 test cases, 274th test case out of the 280 test cases. And the test case was 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1. So this was the test case that it gave time limit, not time limit exceeded, but a wrong answer. It gave false, but it should have written true. So this will be low and this will be high and this will be the mid. So remember one thing, that we have been told that this array will contain duplicate elements. So since this array has been containing duplicate elements, so we can see that this part and this part and this part are already equal. So since they are equal, we will not be able to compare, I mean, which section to move. If a of this and this, how will we compare that they are, I mean, you see, this a of low is equals to a of mid, and a of mid is equals to a of high. Then how we will decide whether to move to the left section or whether to move to the right section? The basic question will come to us in our mind, that which part is sorted. How will we tell which part is sorted? We cannot tell which part is sorted. So what we will do, we will simply do low plus plus and high minus minus, and we will simply continue. This is the excess of code that we need to write in this question, apart from the code that we had written for search in rotated sorted array 1. Now let's move on to the coding part and see how we had did it. Yeah, so the problem given to us is this, and the code for this is, we have taken low at 0 and high at nums of size minus 1, and we have taken an answer which will be storing the answer. This has no use, and while my low is less than equals to high, we are taken mid. Actually, in case my nums of mid is equals to target, we are simply gonna return true from here, because we have found the element. We have found the element. We have found the element. Acha, if in case the problem that we discussed was, if L, M and H are same, we are gonna simply reduce the search space by one unit from left and 1 unit from the high. And then if my nums of low is less than equals to nums of mid, this means the left half is sorted, and the target lies on the, this target lies on the left half, on the left half. In this case, target lies on the right half. Else, if the right right half is sorted, we are gonna come to here, and this means that the uh, target lies on the right half. And then we will check target lies on the left half, and simply return false. If in case this while loop ends and it did not find any element, it will simply return false. So this is an accepted code. Let's submit and see it. This code has been accepted. So thank you for watching my video, and do like, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more such future videos. Thank you.